How to fix verification code not received on Android. Hello everybody. If you're not receiving verification codes, you may follow up the steps. So first thing is ensure that you have a strong signal because that may be the reason. So if you don't have a strong cellular signal, text messages rely on cellular connection, not internet. So make sure you're in an area where you have the proper network connection. Another thing is make sure your airplane mode is turned off. For that, you may head over to the settings in the bottom right corner. And once you head over to the settings, when you head over to connections, if you have this flight mode turned on, you may go ahead and turn it off by tapping on the toggle option. Otherwise, a simple reboot can also remove temporary glitches. So you may just go ahead and long press on your power button and then go ahead and restart your device. And that should help you with the code not being delivered. Another thing is double check the number in which you're trying to receive the verification code because that may be also the reason, and confirm that your mobile plan allows you to receive text messages. If you suspect an issue with the service provider, you may contact their customer support for more assistance. So that's it for now. That is how you fix verification code not received on Android. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video.